Hi, this is Editor Troxel. In this tutorial, we're continuing to look at this forum post, and the part 4 was to split everything under the cursor. Naturally, you can split simply by pressing S, but split does have some quirks. For example, if you have an event selected, only the selected events will be split. And so if you have an event selected that's not under the cursor, then nothing will be split. If you have events selected that are under the cursor, then only those events selected will be split. If you have nothing selected, then all events under the cursor will be split. And so that's why I gave the key press sequence of Ctrl-A S to select everything and then split, or Ctrl-Shift-A S, which would deselect everything and then split. But let's see how we do it under the cursor regardless of what is selected. So here's the script we're going to look at. Once again, we get our myVegas equals Vegas. Again, we need the cursor location, so we get our time code cursor location is myvegas.transport.cursor_position. Then we're going to go for each track, my track in myvegas.project.tracks, for each track event in mytrack.events. So we're going for every event, and then if the event.start is less than the cursor location and the event.end is greater than the cursor location, in other words, is this event under the cursor? If it is, then we're going to get a new track event called new event equals event.split, and then where do we split it? Well, we have to figure that out, and that's going to be at the cursor location minus the event start, because you want the offset from the beginning of that event. So this will be, if you look at split, it split the event at the given offset. So we need the cursor location minus event.start. Now naturally, when you split, it will give you the new event, which will be the left part. Event will still be the right part. And then you could do things with that new event or the old event as needed, which we have seen in previous tutorials. So now, let me just leave the cursor where it is located. Actually, let's go ahead and select one of these. And we will see that even though one of these is selected, it will split every one of these 4 events under the cursor. And so now we have multiple new events based off these original events. So this was the 4th part, and that was simply how to split all events under the cursor. Once again, a fairly easy process using a script, but also very easy process using the keyboard with just a Ctrl-A S or Ctrl-Shift-A S, or just make sure nothing's selected and you just press S. So once again, both ways work very easily, key presses or running the script. Once again, you can put this on a button on the toolbar, and it might make sense to run the script instead. Anyway, let's continue looking at these 6 parts, and we'll see you in the next tutorial. Please sign up at www.JETDV.com and subscribe on YouTube to get further notifications on when new videos are presented.